everyone, welcome back to my craft room. If you're new to my craft room, then welcome. Happy Sunday, guys. I have a Temu haul here for you guys. I've had this for a few days. I want to get this up, mainly so I can get put away and use a lot of this stuff. I am just so excited about some of these things. They're so cute. But yeah, I figured I'd just pop on here, say hi real quick, and bring you over here. I know most people, some people comment that, all you see is my hands in videos, but it's the only part of my room over here that does not have a lot of glare. So that's why I always film right here. And yeah, anyway, you want to see the stuff I got? You don't want to look at me. All right, first thing I got, I already have it on here, is this phone case. Look how pretty this phone case is. I have an iPhone 11, but they have them all different sizes. Whatever phone I think you have, I'm sure they have this case to fit it. And I thought this was so pretty for fall. Yeah, it's just, black around the edges and stuff, and nothing fancy there. And then I have these little, I always get these because, I drop everything anymore, so I'm better off having a little bit of a cushion there. So I got that. I love that. And that was, I'll link all these items below. And if you don't, like I always say, if you don't see it listed, then that means they're probably sold out. But yeah, and some of the prices can be different because sometimes, you get something, it's like on a flash sale or something, but I don't know if I got any stuff on a flash sale. But anyway, this was, did I say that even? I get yakking. This was $2.24 for this really pretty phone case. And then these little rings that I get to put on the back, I always get the clear ones. They're the nice big round clear ones, and they hold well. I've never had a problem with these. I've never had my phone fall off of any of them. I mean, they are really on there, and I use these all the time. Oh, and they also have like these little crystals all in them too. Very fancy. And they are $1.42. So I usually buy a couple of these because I'm always changing my phone cases and stuff. I need to change my screen protector here because that's cracked, but my screen is not. So you should always have a screen protector. All right, so that's those little goodies there. Then I got a bunch of Christmassy things, some fall things. Let's get this out of the way here first. I got this rug. I know this is going to crinkle loud. All right, let me get this out of this plastic. Hang on one second. I know most of you don't mind, but I know some people, it drives you absolutely crazy. But look how pretty this fall rug is to go. I want this down in front of my sink just for fall. I have so many rugs now. I got one from Aldi's the other day that I think I'll save that one probably till after Christmas to put down because I love these pretty rugs. And look how gorgeous this thing is. This is, what is it? 15.75 by 47.2 inches. So it is a nice long, it'll fit really great out there. And that'll just be so, so pretty for fall. So that's why I wanted to get this out of here because I want to get these things put out. With my fall, I got to cut this tag off because you guys know I tell you all the time, these tags drive me nuts. So while I'm thinking about it, there we go, all done. And yeah, I'm sure, I don't know if you can wash these or not. I should probably read that before I throw the tag away. It does not say. I would not, I don't think, ever put this like in a washing machine or anything like that. Maybe if you have like a little steam cleaner thing or something, or just rinse it off and hang it outside. But yeah, isn't that pretty? And it does have a little bit of a rubber backing to it too. I didn't think this was going to when I ordered it. But yeah, it has all these cute little flowery and polka dot things, and they're like a rubbery grip for these. So yeah, love this. Love it. $9.79. I get talking. I don't remember what I said. It was $9.79. But I think that's so pretty. So let me get that plastic out of the way. I'm going to set you right over here because you're going out as soon as I'm done with this video. I got a flag for outside. These are so cute. These are the small, like they just fit on the little garden hangers there. But look how darn cute these guys are. Isn't that adorable? So I'm going to go put this outside too. First I got to iron it though. Always I'll iron them. And they're double-sided. So look at that. And I was worried that, since they don't have the ones like they used to that were like a real, like a burlappy kind of flag, they seem to have all this kind now. But I have no problems with the ones I had out in the summer. They really didn't fade much, and they're out in the sun all day long. So that was $2.16. And does it have the measurements on here? Yeah. So anyway, $2.16 for the little garden flag. All right, you're going up there with the rug, so I can get that out of there. I don't know if I have any more fall in here. Oh, I do. I think I have some fall shirts in here. I got another watch band because I change these up all the time, just for fun. All right, I had this open before, and now I can't open it. Of course, I had to open it and look at it. As soon as I got it, I should have just left it out and put it on top of the package. There we go. Anyway, this was $3.59, and they have them for different kinds of watches, but this is for the Apple Watch. But look how cute this guy is. That'll be fun for Christmas. There'll be one on each side. So I thought that was really cute. I do have another Christmas one too. So depending where I'm going, I'm thinking the kids will probably like to look at that one too. The little ones. But yeah, $3.58 that was. So that was adorable. Love that. I got this ribbon. I'm not even going to take this out of here. Did I write down? I did. Thank goodness, because I can't see it. This is 2.48 inch wide by 172.23 inches. And this was $1.94. And it's a wired ribbon. These pretty little snowmen. It has a little bit of glitter to it, the little snowflakes and things. Yeah, isn't that adorable? So yeah, I got that. I thought that wasn't bad. And that's quite a bit of ribbon there. And then I got some more stamps, because I'm always getting the stamps. I don't need any more stamps. Oh, do I have a piece of paper handy? Oh, I can probably put it on this. Here we go. These are some of the bigger ones that say Merry Christmas and Season's Greetings and Happy Holidays. So those are a nice size ones. These are the ones you put on the little acrylic blocks, and then you use your ink pad and you stamp with them. And they're great for card making and stuff. So I got that one. That one was $1.78. Can't beat the prices for these stamps, that's for darn sure. And now this one's just some smaller ones that have all the different sayings on there. Let's get the glare off of there. And these were $2.44 for this one. So it all depends on which ones you get. I don't know what's behind this sticker there. What do you say? Can I peek? Oh, it says Merry Christmas. That's what the one behind here. It just says Merry Christmas. So yeah. And then I got these. These were $2.68 for 120 of these labels. I love these because you know what? They're bigger and you have a lot more room to write. I have gotten a lot from Dollar Tree, but they're so small. The area, I mean, the pictures are cute, but they don't give you a lot of area to really write. And I need to write bigger. I can't do that tiny stuff. So I thought those were real pretty. And they're all self-adhesive. Another great thing, just peel and stick onto your gift. So I got them, and then I also got these. I thought these were really pretty. I've got to take these out because there's stickers all over the front. So bear with me while I peel these out. Actually, I'm just going to pull one out. There you go. Look how pretty these are. I forget how many's in here. Hang on one second. 90 pieces in here for $1.28. And they're all the same. I think they're all the same. All the same print. But look how pretty those are. I love these. So I figured like the other ones here, they're more for like the kids and stuff. And these would be more for like the adults. Gifts and things. But yeah, those are really nice. I like them a lot. I'm trying to beat this. I gotta show you guys. I got this from my Chihuahua. People think I'm nuts already, but it's okay. I don't care. But this was $5.03, and this is her Christmas dress. Look at the ruffles. I tried it on her. She looks like a little potato. With her little head sticking out of here. She don't care. She's a champ. She's running around with it. I just wanted to make sure it fit her and stuff. But how cute is that? It's got the little bells on the back. And it's got all fur lined. And I'll tell you, she's shivering already on some of these chilly days. So she won't mind wearing this at all, especially in the winter time. But I don't make my dog wear these clothes. I mean, if we like go somewhere or, to the vet or something, I'll throw something on because they love to take pictures of her and stuff and put it on their webpage and all that kind of stuff. Or just for a picture by the Christmas tree. So no, don't everybody get upset. I don't make my dog wear clothes all day long. Only when she's chilly, she'll like this one's cold. Because she's always cold in the wintertime. Alright, what did I say that was? $5.03. And they have it all different sizes. I think this is a large, though. So it doesn't go up to a really big size for a big dog. But it's like a blanket. It's so soft. But anyway, yeah, I got her that. Why not? And then I picked up a few blouses. I got this one here. This one here may be the only one I see. I haven't tried these yet. But I hate when the neckline is so big. It just hangs on me stupid. But I'm not sure. I haven't tried them on, so I can't even complain yet. I can, but I'm not gonna. This was $8.24. You guys know I love their clothes. I don't have a lot of long sleeves, so I figured I'd get a couple of long sleeves. And I thought that was real pretty. I got two of these in a different print. I got it in the blue, and actually, I don't know. It may not be that bad, actually, now that I'm looking at it. All right, I'll stop complaining. I did get it in a 1X because, I don't know, the other one is just too small. You got to really check every one you get. And sometimes I forget, but you got to go by your bust size. If you go by that, you're good to go. So, I got that one, and I did tell you that was $8.24. And then I got this one here. This one's actually, I'm not even going to take it out. It's this English. It's the exact same print, but just in a different color. And I thought this is pretty. It almost looks Christmassy with the greens and the reds. And it's also a long sleeve one too, so I'm not going to take that one out. That one was also $8.24. And then I got this one here. This one I'm going to take out because it's so darn cute. You guys know I don't do much Halloween, but this is cutesy. This was $6.88. Do I have it open? Yeah, here we go. I'm going to take these out of here anyway because I got to wash all of these before I wear them. Look how cute this guy is here. I love the green color. Look at the print on there. For Halloween. It's a great fall shirt. Yeah, I'm loving this color. And this is a little bit heavier weight. Some of the other stuff is like a thinner. But this is a nice weight t-shirt. So, yeah. So I love that one. So these all got to go downstairs in the laundry room. And then I got another fall one here. This one is $7.39. And this one I love, love, love. I want to get this washed because I want to wear it like now. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? It's like a heart with the pumpkins and the leaves and acorns and stuff in there. I thought this was really cute. And it's this nice darker gray. Again, it's the same kind of material as the other one. It's just a really nice weight. And I wear this stuff, well, not these prints on it, but these kind of t-shirts. That's what I wear all year long. Winter and summer. If I get chilly, throw on a sweater, but usually I'm not ever chilly. And then I got another cardigan. I can't help it. I love their sweaters. Like I said, the one day I went to go get my blood work and stuff done, and I forgot my sweater in the room, and the lady picked it up, and she came running out, and she goes, "You forgot your sweater." She's like, "Oh my gosh, this thing is so soft." I said, "I know, I love them." But I get these in the 2X, just because I like them big, because, you know, you're wearing them over other things. And I've shown you these before. It has a nice rounded, I'm showing it like you can see it, a nice rounded bottom. It's not like just square. And it has the two pockets. I don't think I'd ever use the pockets good. But yeah, they're super, super soft. And like I said, I always wash these things first, and I swear it got softer. So I got that. It was only $5.31. I mean, come on. You can't beat that for a nice cardigan. You know, and that's the other thing with all my little t-shirts and stuff. You just throw one of these over top of it and you're good to go. And of course I had to get another pair of sneakers. I love their sneakers. They fit really well. They're, you know, whatever size you are, that's pretty much what you get. It's, let me get these out of here. And how much were these? These were $11.89. But look how stinking cute. And you don't tie these, you know, you just slip these on. And they're almost, they got the nice fur around the top like a boot. And then you have your pretty snowman, which goes with my watch band for Christmas time. And I think I'm going to wear these at Christmas. I'm going to take my little watch band. Where's my watch band? Does it match exactly? I don't know. No, but it's close enough. Whoops. Where'd you go? It's close enough. There you go. And it's got snowflakes. It does not have like a nice arch in it. I do tend to throw in, you know, I buy them at the grocery store and just put them in here just, you know, for my arch, because I have a really high arch. But if you don't, you know, that's no problem. But yeah, the bottoms are nice. Yeah, I had a pair last year. I love them. I got for Christmas. So that's my Christmas this year. Let's see, I just got a couple more things here real quick before my battery dies, because that's not doing well today. These are double-sided little glue pads. I think they're called glue pads. Does it say on here? You get 200 of them in here for $1.55. And I'm thinking these would be great too for cards and stuff too. But they say like you can fix things with this, you know, like if glass things that break. I don't know exactly how that would work, but I haven't used them yet. So let me pull them open here just so we can see one. It's hard to see through this plastic. Come on, there we go. Yeah. And they're really like almost crystal clear. You could use these on anything. But yeah, it's a double-sided tape. Ooh, that's really nice. I guess you could. They're really soft. Now it's stuck to my finger. I think it's almost like that nano tape, but cut into little circles and stuff. But anyway, I got 200 of these, so I'll probably be using these. I gotta keep these here so I don't forget. What I say, $1.55 for 200. And then I did buy some more of their nano tape. I don't know what they call it. This stuff is great to hang things with. And people always say you can't pull it off the walls, but you should never just try to pull it off the wall. Excuse me. If you just take like a heat gun or a hair dryer and just kind of go over, you know, wherever you're taking these things off the wall, they do come off really easy. But don't ever just try to pull it, because these things stick like crazy. I have stuff in here hanging on the wall with this double-sided nano tape. And I'll tell you what, I mean, it's really it's almost like a cushiony tape. I don't know if any of you guys have ever tried it, but I know a lot of people said that it's literally pulled almost like the plaster or the drywall off their wall. But yeah, see, it's really thick. It's really thick and it's really like cushiony. But this stuff holds like crazy. But like I said, if you want to get it off the wall, just heat it up first, and then it will come off and not ruin your walls. But anyway, I got 3 rolls of that. They were $1.88. I don't remember how much is on each roll because I can't see. And it doesn't say on the package, but it does say, it'll be listed underneath here. But that is it. That is what I got this time from Temu. I was so excited. I can't wait to put my rug out. I can't wait to use some of my stuff here that I got. Yeah, so just fun stuff. Gonna wash my shirts, my sweater. I'll be good to go here for fall. But thanks so much for watching, everybody. I hope you enjoyed this haul, and I will see you guys all next time. Have a great day, everyone.